Let's dig into the other big breakthrough you've just made, and it's amazing that you have both of them coming out the same day in your gaming world models. I'd love if you can tell me a little
Yeah,
bit
so
about
I think we're going to call it Muse, is what I learned, is they're going to be the
that.
model of this world action or human action model. And this is very cool. See, one of the things that, obviously Dolly and Sora have been unbelievable in what they've been able to do in terms of generative models. And so one thing that we wanted to go after was using gameplay data. Can you actually generate games that are both consistent and then have the ability to generate the diversity of what that game represents, and then are persistent to user mods, right? So that's what this is. And so they were able to work with one of our game studios, and this is the other publication in Nature. And the cool thing is, what I'm excited about is bringing, so we're going to have a catalog of games soon that we will start sort of using these models, or we're going to train these models to generate. And then start playing them. And in fact, when Phil Spencer first showed it to me, where, he had an Xbox controller and this model basically took the input and generated the output based on the input. And it was consistent with the game. And that to me is a massive, moment of wow. It's kind of like, for the first time we saw ChatGPT complete sentences, or Dolly draw, or Sora. This is kind of one such moment.
Yeah, and I only got a chance to see some of the videos and the real-time demo this morning with your lead researcher Katya on this, and only once I talked to her did it really hit me how incredible this is, in the sense that we've used AI in the past to model agents, and just using that same technique to model the world around the agent and give this consistent real time. We'll superimpose videos of what this looks like atop this podcast so people can get a chance to see it for themselves. I guess it'll be out by then, so they can also watch it there. This in itself is incredible. You, through your span as CEO, have invested tens, hundreds of billions of dollars in building up Microsoft Gaming and acquiring IP